The DJI Air 4 is quickly shaping up to be one of the most anticipated and discussed drone releases of the year. While DJI has kept quiet officially, a wave of fresh prototype leaks, insider reports, and regulatory database sightings indicate that development is moving fast. If these rumors hold true, the Air 4 could completely shake up the mid-range drone market. Let's break down everything we know so far about specs, pricing, and the expected release window. Traditionally, the Air series bridges the gap between ultra-portable mini drones and professional-grade Mavic flagships. But one of the most exciting and heavily debated rumors surrounding the Air 4 is a potential sub-250G design. Achieving a sub-250G weight class while packing advanced sensors and a robust battery would be a massive engineering feat, especially coming down from the heavier Air 3S. If DJI pulls this off, it would mean far fewer regulatory restrictions for travelers and creators across many global markets. Leaked prototype outlines also point to a redesigned airframe with slightly thicker arms and a top-mounted sensor array reminiscent of the Mavic 4 Pro, hinting at improved structural durability and wind resistance. Camera performance is expected to see the biggest leap forward. Current industry chatter heavily points toward an upgraded dual-camera setup featuring larger sensors, with some insiders speculating about dual 1-inch sensors. If true, this would dramatically enhance low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image fidelity during sunset shoots or night operations. On top of that, rumors suggest we could see enhanced video configurations pushing higher bit rates, advanced HDR processing, and smarter computational photography tools to make professional-grade aerial imaging more accessible than ever. Safety and connectivity are also getting a major boost. The updated top-mounted sensor layout is expected to drive enhanced omnidirectional obstacle detection, leaning on advanced tech to make autonomous flight routines safer in cluttered spaces. For transmission, the Air 4 is expected to utilize DJI's ultra-reliable O4 or O4 Plus technology, ensuring rock-solid signal stability and low latency, even over long distances. Combined with aerodynamic tweaks, flight endurance is rumored to hover comfortably around 38 to 40 minutes per battery. So, when can we actually expect to see it on shelves? Based on tracking data from recent regulatory filings and insider roadmaps, industry analysts are pointing toward a Q3 or Q4 release window, likely between September and November. As for pricing, expect the Air 4 to occupy its traditional tier, with estimated retail ranges landing anywhere from $800 to over $1,200 depending on the specific Fly More combo packages. It will face stiff internal competition from the already stellar Air 3S, but if these leaks check out, it could easily become DJI's most important mid-range release in years. What feature are you hoping DJI prioritizes the most? Are you holding out for a sub-250G body? Or do you care more about dual 1-inch sensors? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, hit that subscribe button for more tech breakdowns, and we'll catch you in the next one.